Sometimes we need backgroundless shape image for some animation or something. When we usually export any map or any layout, it has a white background. But if we want to save the shape without any background, we need to follow some procedure. In this video we are going to see that. Let's create a layout. Go to project, layout manager, and then create a new layout. Layout 1 and OK. And now insert the shape here. Our shape is added here. Now we need to remove the background. For that we can remove the background of the map using unchecking the background option, and still the image has white background because our page background is white. Now we need to remove the color of the page, or we need to increase the transparency of the page. Let's go to right click and go to page properties. Now in the background option select, and opacity option just make it 0. Now you can see that the white color has been removed. Now click on the export as image and save as shape.png. You can also save it as SVG. Okay, if you want to save it as SVG, you need to click this menu. Now let's export as PNG. Save and save. And you can see that the shape doesn't have any background, so that it smoothly removes the outside background. Thanks for watching.